Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a whimsical floating frame. I am using these foam beads that are actually for a glass filler, tissue paper, and 2 picture frames. I just grabbed all of this from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use the glass from both of the frames, but we're technically only going to use 1 frame. This is what's going to create the floating look. Using your tissue paper, cut out to where it will fit inside the frame. And then I really like the look of torn tissue paper inside a floating frame, and so that's all I'm doing here. I am tearing the edges so that it is a little bit smaller than the glass so that it has that look of floating. Clean your glass, lay it in, and then we're going to put the other glass on top of it, and then press down all of your tabs really well so they don't show through. Then I have this adorable washi tape that is glitter. I love all things glitter, and this project was perfect for it. It is the perfect size for the edge of the frame, so I'm just adhering it to the sides just to dress it up a little bit, all the way around. Once we're done with that, this is the fun part. We're gonna take these foam beads that are actually used for vase fillers, and we're gonna hot glue them all the way around. One of the things I wanna remind you is that since these are foam, high temp glue can melt the foam. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you use low temp glue for this project. We are being really random in how we're placing them. We're gonna use the large, the medium, and the small, and just go about placing them wherever you think that it sees fit, wherever you think it's gonna be cute. This is just where you can put your creativity in. Once you are putting them all on, I just took a small clothespin and hot glued it to the frame. And then I don't have a picture on hand. I'm simply cutting this up to kind of show you how we want it to look inside the frame. I had these pics that had hearts on top of them, and so I thought this would be perfect to nestle inside the frame and sit, and I really love the way it turned out. I put a little bow on top of the clothespin just to kind of finish it off, and it is so cute. I hope you enjoy this project. If you are looking for more DIYs, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching.